Hi, welcome to Angular. Before getting started, you should have some basic knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, and TypeScript. If not, you can find these tutorials on my channel. And second thing, to start developing our Angular app, we need to set up our local work environment. For that, we need Node, npm, Angular CLI, text editor like Visual Studio Code. So first thing you need to do is install Node.js from nodejs.org and install the latest stable version. With that, you install Node and also npm, which is Node Package Manager, get installed. Now open your command prompt and type the command to check the installation. Type node-v. You got the Node version installed, and same for npm-v. If you are able to see your Node and npm version, that means it's successfully installed. Next, we will install Angular CLI. Angular CLI or Angular command line interface allows us to generate building blocks of our application by typing out commands. It makes our development easier and fast. To install Angular CLI, type npm install -g @angular/CLI-g to install it globally to our machine. To check, type command ng-version or ng-v. If you get this layout, means it's successfully installed. Last, we need some editor to write our code. We are using Visual Studio Code, which you can download it from its official site. With this, we are ready to create our first application. Now open the terminal, which is our CLI, and type command ng new and the app name. It will ask for routing. As of now, we choose no. We will learn to create it manually, and for style sheet we are going with CSS. Meanwhile, we will open our app in VS Code and launch the app with ng serve. So here's our app with welcome page and saying your app is running.